children, in this session we are going to study about division. First heading is divide the following. Now given the problem 7338 divided by 6. So here our dividend is 7338. So I write down here. Then our divisor is 6. So here our divisor is 6. I have to write the 6 table here. Then a dividend should come inside and I put the divisor outside. First, you have to start from which side? The left side. The first digit you take, children. First digit you take and compare with divisor. Your divisor is 6, but your first digit here 7. So this should greater than the divisor. So how many times you compare? 1 6 is 6. So how many times? 6 in 7? Yes, 1 time. So 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. So which is symbol? Subtraction. So division is the repeated subtraction. I put division subtract symbol here. I need to subtract 6 in the mind. After 6, 7. So how many finger? Only one finger. So which is remainder? 1 is the remainder. Then bring down your second digit 3. Now you get the digit 13. Your dividend is 13. Now you again we compare the divisor. Divisor is 6. So should greater. The dividend is greater than the divisor. How many times you compare? How many times? 6 in 13. You see the table. 2 6 are 12. So 2 times. 3 times means it will get the answer 18. So above 13 you know. So you stop to the 2 times. It's enough. So 2 6 are 12. Again I put the subtraction symbol. Next we need to subtract 3 minus 2. So 2 in the mind. After 2, 3. How many finger you take, children? Only one finger. So what's here remaining? 1. Next 1 minus 1. The same number subtract means we get 0. So here our remainder is 1. Next come to the third digit. Our third digit is 3. Bring down. And now you get 13 again. So now your dividend is 13 and divisor is 6. So our dividend should greater than the divisor. So no problem. Again you compare. How many times, children? You take 3 times means it will get 18. So here you see your remainder or your dividend is 13. So below, here you have below 18 or the 3 times you take means it will get above 13. So which time, how many times you can take? Just you have to take the 2 times. 2 6 are 12. So again you write down in the quotient 2 6 are 12. Isn't it? The division is the repeated subtraction. So I put the subtraction symbol here. Next, we need to subtract 12 from 13. Now, 2 in the mind. After 2, 3. How many finger? 1 finger. So what's your reminder? 1. Then 1 minus 1, 0. The same number subtracting, we get 0. Now our reminder is 1. Next, bring down 8. So now you get 18. So now your dividend is 18. Again you compare your dividend and divisor. So your dividend is greater than the divisor. So you come to the table. How many times? This 6 in 18. How many times, children? Yes, very good. 3 6 are 18. So you write 3 in the quotient. 3 6 are 18. Next, subtract 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is our remainder. This is our quotient. So your remainder is 0. Your quotient is 1223. Children, now our answer, quotient is equal to 1223 and remainder is 0. Next step, we need to verify our answer, children. I tell the steps for you. Dear children, this is not necessary. If I ask the question, verify the answer means you have to do this step, or else you no need to do up to answer is enough. Isn't it? The dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is our verification formula. That means we know the dividend already. So now we need to verify our answer using whatever we get, the quotient. Already we have the divisor, and in problem we find the remainder. Through the problem, at last we find the quotient and remainder, that is in our hand. From the problem we have the divisor. So collect these three things and put in the formula. Then you calculate the dividend, that is equal to our given problem. The dividend means our answer, that means the quotient and remainder is correct. Let us go through. Yes. So our dividend is, from the problem I write down 7338. At last we find the quotient. Our quotient is 1223 and divisor, from problem you take and write 6, and a remainder, you solve the remainder, you know what you get? 0. You write down the remainder. The symbol very important. Here multiplication, here addition. First we need to do the multiplication. What we need to multiply? 1223 by 6. So I have to write which operation? Multiplication. Dear children, 6 3s are 18. So 8 I write down in the ones place and carry the remaining 1 into the tens place. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. I cut the 3 and write under the tens place. So I have 3. Remaining 1. I carry the remaining 1 into the 100th place. Again 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. So I cut the 3. Write under the 100th place and carry the remaining 1 into the 1000 place. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. So what you get at last? 7338. Now we need to add the remainder 0. So I add 0. So any number you add 0, you get the same number. Again you get 7338. So children, we get at last 7338 is equal to what we get? 7338. So both the sides are equal. So now check our answer. Our answer is verify now. Both are equal. So our quotient and remainder also correct. Children, I hope you all learned the division well in this session. Thank you children.